Yes. Yesterday, in congruence of triangle, we did try these of page number 148. Any doubt in that topic? Any doubt? Okay. So let's start with exercise 7.2. That is based on congruence, in which I think mixed questions are given on all, based on all the properties, 5 properties that we have discussed. So let's start with exercise 7.2. First question is, you have given triangle ABC and triangle DEF. These two triangles are given. श्रेया क्या प्रॉब्लम है बच्चे? So these triangles are given in which ABC and DEF are given. AB is equal to DE given है. BC is equal to EF given है. So triangle ABC is congruent to DEF. Which congruence criteria? And this third side is also equal to this. By which congruency criteria these two triangles are congruent? So you will write AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, AC is equal to DF. This implies triangle ABC is congruent to DEF by, yes, which criteria these two triangles are congruent?
By SSS.
Yes, it's triple S, side, side, side. These two triangles are congruent. Okay. Any doubt? Yes, all of you will get the chance to speak in the class, to give answers. B part. R, P, Q. Z, X, Y. So these are the two triangles in which ZX is equal to RP, that is given. RQ is equal to ZY, that is given. And third thing is PRQ, this angle is equal to this angle. PRQ is equal to XZY. So these two things are given. So these two triangles, you have to tell me by which criteria these two triangles are congruent.
By SAS.
By
SAS.
side, angle, side. So these two triangles are congruent, side, angle, side. By SAS, these two triangles are congruent. Note it down. Start next question. Who will read out the next question? Yes, Arshia.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out next question.
Triangle LMN and triangle GFH given is equal to angle MLN is equal to FGH. Angle NML is equal to GFH. ML is equal to FG.
Yes.
So triangle LMN is congruent to triangle GFH by ASA criteria.
ASC. Okay. Let me draw the figure. C part. L, M, N, F, G, H. Angle MLN is equal to FGH. ये एंगल इक्वल है NML. This angle is equal to GFH. This angle. Given है ML is equal to this side FG. So triangle LMN is congruent to GFH angle side angle ASA by ASA congruency criteria. These two triangles are congruent, then all its corresponding side and all its corresponding angles are equal. So you can here say that angle N is equal to H, LN is equal to GH, MN is equal to FH. So all its corresponding sides and angles are equal here. Got it? Next question is, in this D part, base is given, this triangle is given, this triangle is given on the same base. The base of this triangle is AB, the base of this triangle is BC. These two things are given. EB is equal to DB. ये given है. AE is equal to BC. ये साइड इसके इक्वल गिवन है. ठीक है, ये साइड इसके इक्वल है, ये इसके इक्वल है. AE is equal to BC, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 90. This implies triangle ABE is congruent to CDB by which congruency criteria? Yes, who will tell me? Yes, Jalash.
ABE and CBD are congruent by RHS.
Yes. Right angle के सामने वाली side hypotenuse and this is side. Right hypotenuse side. By RHS, these two triangles are congruent. Got it? Any doubt? Okay. So please start question number 2. Start question number 2. Yes, listen. These two triangles are congruent, which is given in the question, and they are congruent by triple S. Triple S means all their corresponding sides are equal. So AR is equal to, you can see the name ART is congruent to PEN, pen. These two triangles are congruent. ART is equal to pen. So here AR is equal to PE. RT is equal to, yes, Khushi, Nandani, Yes.
RT is equal to EN.
En, very good. And AT is equal to? Yes. AT. Why you mute yourself, beta?
AT is equal to PN.
AT is equal to PN. Okay. Yes. I have written first part. Second and third are same. Do it. Hurry up. Then I will discuss the answers. Hurry up. So again in this question, angle T is equal to angle N. This is the second part. And you have to fill the blanks with this. What should I write here? If in this first part, these two triangles are congruent by triple S, but in this question, these two triangles are again congruent by SAS, side angle side. So here, this angle is equal to this angle. So can you tell the corresponding side? So you will see the angles where these angles are included between the side. So AT is equal to PN and RT is equal to EN. So here you will write RT is equal to EN and PN is equal to AT. So you have to write, you have to search for the sides where this equal angles are included. Got it? Start next part. C part. Third part, again figure is same, but the criteria is changed. ASA, angle, side, angle. Now, which in the third part, the triangles are again same, but here AT is equal to PN and triangles are congruent by SAS, angle side angle. तो side is given, आपने देखा इस side के ऊपर कौन से एंगल बन रहे हैं? तो A किसके इक्वल आएगा P के और T किसके इक्वल आएगा N के. तो यहाँ फर्स्ट पार्ट में क्या आएगा? Angle A is equal to angle P and in the second part angle T is equal to angle N. Actually triangles जो हैं they are already congruent and if the triangles are congruent then all their corresponding sides and all their corresponding angles must be equal. So if angle is given, side is given, then you will search for the angles and if angles are given you will find side. Okay. Is it okay? Any doubt? बच्चे, start third question. Start third question, everyone. Start third question. Then we will discuss. A, P, M, Q. 4 parts are given. You have to write the reason why they are equal. Actually, you have to show that these two triangles are congruent. Step 1, PM is equal to MQ. You have to show that these two triangles are congruent. In the following proof, supply the reason PM is equal to QM. Why PM and QM are equal? Yes. Why they are equal? Yes, Ridhima.
Because it is given.
It is given.
Yes, ma'am.
These two angles are equal. These two sides PM is equal to QM given. Second part is angle PMA. This angle is equal to this angle. Angle PMA is equal to QMA given. Third part. In the third part, AM is equal to AM. Why AM is equal to AM? Common. Fourth part, triangles
It's
are
common.
why? What's the reason for
Because
by?
of SAS criteria.
Yes, side, angle, side. By SAS, these two triangles are congruent. Okay. Do fourth question. Arshia, read the question.
Yes, ma'am. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 30 degree, B is equal to 40 degree, and C is equal to 110 degree. In triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 30 degree, angle Q is equal to 40 degree, and angle R is equal to 110 degree. A student says that triangle ABC is equal to triangle PQR by AAA congruence criterion. Is he justified? Why or why not?
Yes. Drishti, can you give answer? These three angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three angles of the other triangle. But still, are they congruent?
Ma'am, no.
Why?
Ma'am, because a property doesn't lie.
Yes, it doesn't exist. Yes, write down these two triangles. Triple AAA is not the congruency criteria. So these two triangles are not congruent. Triple A is not the congruency criteria. So these two triangles are not congruent. So these two triangles are not congruent. Yes, read the next question, Drishti. Next question.
Yes, ma'am. In the figure, the two triangles are congruent. The corresponding parts are marked. We can write triangle RAP is congruent to.
Yes, in the fifth question, you have given triangle RAT, RAT, equal parts are marked here, so I'm making it in my figure also. Another figure is given whose name is WON, won. And again equal parts have been marked. So these two triangles are given, the two triangles are congruent, then name the triangle RAT is congruent to which triangle. So you have to write the name of the triangle here. Yes, Lakshay?
Triangle RAT is corresponding to triangle WON.
Triangle WON. एंगल R 1 नंबर का एंगल है, यहाँ पे W पे सेम मार्क है. RAT A के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग यहाँ डबल लाइन है, यहाँ डबल लाइन है, तो A के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग O आएगा. तो WON is the name of the triangle which is congruent to this triangle RAT. Start next question. Question number 6. In question number 6, बच्चे आज के लिए काफी क्वेश्चन हो गए हैं, तो मुझे नहीं लगता इसके इकट्ठे इतने सारे क्वेश्चन करवाने चाहिए. 7-8 क्वेश्चंस हो चुके हैं, तो that's it for today. You please all recall these questions, read it out once, and if you have any doubt, you can ask. I can complete the exercise, but it will be of no use if you are not giving response in the class. So better you all please read it out once again.
It is applied to a certain
This
property.
meeting is being recorded.
Repeat again, beta.
Congruency means the triangle which is having the equal parts, means angles or sides when it is applied by a certain property.
One more meaning of congruency we have discussed in the class. We have discussed the meaning of congruency and similarity. What is the difference between congruence and similarity?
Same size and same shape.
Yes, if the two figures are having same size and same shape, then only we can say that these two figures are congruent. Okay. So congruent figures are having same shape and size. And for the congruency, you need at least 3 things, and 3 things should be according to certain criteria. And we have discussed 5 criteria. Who will tell me the name of these 5 criteria?
Can I tell?
Yes, Jalash.
Ma'am, SSS, SAS, ASA, AAS, and RHS.
Have you done any question regarding the property AAS?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, SAS.
Yeah.
No, ma'am. ASA है. AAS हमने किया.
AAS का कोई क्वेश्चन किया नहीं, वैसे होता है रूल. ठीक है, अभी किया नहीं है. Because no related question is given in our book. ठीक है, otherwise congruency criteria होता है वो. Yes, Arshia, when two squares are congruent?
When they have the same side.
Yes, Lakshay, when two line segments are congruent? Kushi,
Ma'am, when they have same length.
when they have same length. When two circles are congruent?
Ma'am, when they have same diameter or radius.
When they have same radius and diameter. Ridhima, can you tell me the relation between diameter and radius? What relation radius and diameter have?
Ma'am, diameter over 2 is equal to radius.
Diameter is double of the radius and radius is half of the diameter. अगर radius given है तो diameter निकालने के लिए you will make the double of that. ठीक है? So diameter is double of the radius and radius is half of the diameter. Clear? When two rectangles are congruent, when you will say that two rectangles are congruent. Yes, Jasleen? Mitul,
when they have same length and breadth.
when their length and breadth are same, then only we can say that two rectangles are congruent. Kushi, when two angles are congruent, when you will say that two angles are congruent. Yes, Jasleen?
When they have the same measure.
When they have same measurement, if their degree measure जो भी angle दिया होगा, if that is same, then you can say that two angles are congruent. Two circles are congruent if their radius is same. Two squares are congruent if their sides are same. Two line segments are congruent if their length are same. Two angles are congruent if their measurements are same. ठीक है? Are all squares congruent? जितने भी स्क्वायर बन सकते हैं वो सारे कॉन्ग्रेंट हैं.
No.
Why? जितने भी स्क्वायर बनते हैं वो सारे कॉन्ग्रेंट होंगे? No.
No, because all of them may not have the same side length.
Yes, because their sides are not same, so we are not sure they will not be congruent to each other. Congruent means their shape and size must be same. Okay? Any doubt?